Let's do some EFT tapping together to help connect to the feeling and the experience of it's going to be okay. Now, I say the feeling it's going to be okay because, I don't know the specifics of what you're going through and we can't predict the future. But I do know that it's very easy for our minds to latch on to the negative, to foresee and anticipate the worst of a situation in a way of trying to protect us or help us, do whatever we think we need to do. And that can keep you out of feeling or even entertaining the thought that, yeah, this could be okay. And that can actually help you be in a space mentally and emotionally to see better solutions, to lower the stress, to help the body to navigate the situation. So let's open ourselves up to that, shall we? Let's go to the side of the hand, repeating after me. Even though it may be true that I am in a difficult, challenging situation, I am open to the possibility of everything working out and allowing myself to feel some optimism and relaxation. Even though this is indeed a challenge. And I'm not always thinking positive thoughts. I'm open to giving myself permission to experience the thought and feeling. It's going to be okay. And I choose to have compassion for myself in this process. And even though it may be an objective fact that I'm dealing with some really difficult things, I may have even been told that the prognosis isn't great or it's going to get worse. I am still open to the possibility that it could be okay and that it's actually good for my body and mind to let myself go there and experience the relaxation of confidence that this will pass and it will be okay. And I choose to honor and accept myself right where I am. Let's go through the points right now. It's going to be okay. And I'm noticing as I say, it's going to be okay. If there's any resistant voices, any rejection in the body, and I'm going to be with that in a compassionate way right now. Anything that says, don't think that. Don't allow yourself to go there. And I'm just being curious for a moment what that reservation or resistance might be. Don't be delusional. We need to prepare for the worst. It's not safe to feel good right now. It's not appropriate to feel good right now. Whatever it is, I'm just allowing myself to hear it and say, probably trying to protect me, and make sure I take the situation seriously and do whatever I need to do. But I also want to explore that I can take this seriously, that I can do the things I need to do, and still have the feeling that it's going to be okay. I'm open to the potential that if I let my body, my mind, not just think, but feel the relaxation of this can be okay. I'm going to get through this. I'm going to be okay. That I can still navigate what I need to. In fact, I can see and think more clearly. I don't have to deny what is happening. But being stressed and anxious about it doesn't help me navigate it better. And the confidence that I will be okay doesn't mean I don't see the world clearly. The more peace I feel, the more connected I am to reality. Just like I look both ways before crossing the street, or I can put a seatbelt on, or put a parachute on, without feeling terror or expecting the worst. And I'm also open to the scientific fact that feeling more optimism actually helps healing, is actually good for my body and mind. And I can still be clear and very practical, but feel more peace and allow myself to truly experience the feeling of it's going to be okay. And I'm letting it in more deeply now. It's going to be okay. I'm going to be okay. This is going to work out. I'm going to be okay. Allowing myself to feel this deeply and fully now. It's going to be okay. All right, take a deep breath. I hope you're feeling a little more confidence, allowing that in, that it's going to be okay. You're going to be okay. Let me know if you want to do more tapping together or in a group setting. You can look in the description as well. Let me know how it's going for you. I look forward to seeing you on another tapping or other video soon. All right, take care.